Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open your device and download Minecraft from Google Play or the App Store and confirm the app is 1.19 or newer. This ensures Bedrock features and crossplay compatibility. Allow 500 MB to 2 GB of storage, depending on how many worlds and resource packs you plan to use. Manage storage in settings if you are tight on space. Sign in with your Microsoft account to enable Realms, Achievements, and Bedrock crossplay so you can join friends on console or PC seamlessly. Use touch controls. Tap to interact, swipe to look, and use the on-screen joystick for movement. Practice jumping and sprinting to avoid fall damage. Adjust sensitivity and toggle classic or split controls in settings, touch controls to match your comfort. Lower sensitivity for precise building and higher for combat. Enable controller support for Bluetooth gamepads, then map buttons for inventory, sprint, and sneak. A controller reduces input lag and is especially helpful in PvP or Parker maps. Start a survival world with easy difficulty. Gather wood immediately, craft a crafting table, and make stone tools within the first 10 minutes to secure resources. Use Realms or invite to game to play with friends up to 10 players on Bedrock, and set permissions so newcomers cannot grief your builds. Enable Cloud Saves backup in settings and regularly export worlds to local storage or a micro SD card to prevent data loss if the device fails or you reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.